What's going on? What's this outfit you have on?
I have this parachute tandem outfit on.
Are you gonna make a skydive today?
Yes, sir.
Your first jump?
First one.
All right, you celebrating something?
Being with my son.
Being with your son.
Yeah.
Just a bucket list thing?
Yeah.
All right, that's cool. Is there anybody at home watching this who
Oh
wants to say
yeah,
hello
wifey,
to?
family, love y'all. See you in a little bit.
All right, let's go make a skydive. How was that, Luis?
What an adventure, bro. I tell you that, man.
Woo. All right.
Dear God, is that...
So what do you think about what your boy does?
That's crazy, man. I still can't hear. Woo.
All right.
Love it, love it.
All right. Well, congratulations. Thanks for letting me come on your first jump.
Thanks
man. For coming out.
Got it.
All right. Woo.